Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make macaroni potato salad. First, gather your ingredients: 1 pound of elbow macaroni, 2 pounds of Yukon Gold potatoes, and a cup of mayonnaise. You will also need 1/4 cup of yellow mustard, 2 celery stalks, 1/2 cup of chopped red onion, and 1/4 cup of fresh dill. These simple components combine to create a truly delicious and satisfying side dish, perfect for any gathering or meal. Next, cook your elbow macaroni according to package directions until it's perfectly al dente. Drain it well and rinse with cold water to stop the cooking process and prevent sticking. While the macaroni cools, boil your Yukon Gold potatoes until they are tender when pierced with a fork. Let them cool, then peel and cut them into uniform 1-inch cubes. Gently combine the cooled macaroni and potato cubes in a large mixing bowl. Now, let's create that creamy, tangy dressing. In a separate bowl, whisk together the cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of yellow mustard, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Season this mixture with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Pour this delicious dressing over your macaroni and potato mixture. Gently fold in the chopped celery, red onion, and fresh dill until everything is evenly coated and well combined. Finally, cover your macaroni potato salad and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours. This chilling time is crucial, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. Before serving, give it a quick taste and adjust any seasonings, adding a little more salt or pepper if you like. Serve chilled as a delightful side dish. And hey, if you're looking for ways to keep your kitchen spotless after all that cooking, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade macaroni potato salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.